Hello everyone, my name is Toby and welcome to this video. Today I'll be taking a look at this newish Matchbox casting, the Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6. Now this car is absolutely crazy, it's just really awesome. It's based on the original G-Wagon, which is a four-wheeled SUV you might see on the road every now and then. And then Mercedes teamed up with AMG again and made something crazy as they usually do, which is this awesome looking 6x6 crawler monster. So that's a bit about the car. Let's crack it open. Alright, first off, we see that it's pretty detailed. It's quite a long Matchbox casting, this one, because it's a 6x6. Alright, so it's on the picture, the rendering, it shows it in the stock aluminium gunmetal colour, but in the actual casting, the paint is more of a sandy colour. And so we've got front tempos, headlights staring right at you, and a Mercedes badge there, and the nice grille and the awesome looking front there. We've got some nice looking rugged 4x4 wheels with the rim painted in there on the edge. We've got Matchbox logo, some stripes, and then the V8 symbol there. Let me just see what that says. That says V8. I'm not sure what that says, but it says V8 something. We've got a spare tyre in the same type of wheel as on here, but it does not have the white rim around it. We can see on the top there's the sun visor up there, and on the back the AMG logo, G63 6x6, and some rear light and hinge tempos there. So yeah, this is a very realistic looking model. Let's have a look underneath. We've got 3 different axle holders there. It says Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6, 2016 Mattel. This is a new for 2017 design we see. There's like a grille there too. Awesome. And we see here that it's got exhaust pipes on the side that you can see when it's down flat there, coming out from that big beefy AMG tuned V8 under the hood. It's a crew cab, so it's got 4 doors, same on the other side. It's got 3 wheels on this side, same on the other side, as Richard Hammond said. Alright, here we have the G63 down here with the camera on the ground. So here's a nice eye level look at it on the ground. Rolls and makes that classic Matchbox tread wheel noise. Alright, and here we've got an older Matchbox model that's a bit scratched up because it was in my loose bin from when I was younger. We have the Jeep Wrangler Superlift. So this one is a bit less realistic. It's got massive tyres on it. It is 1/62 scale. The G63 does not have a scale on it, so just comparing the details here, not really the scale. Yeah. So this one's got a fictional like exploring scheme on it. This one, however, has the real scheme apart from the Matchbox logos, but the Matchbox logo actually looks pretty nice. Now let's compare it to a more scale looking car. Stop rolling away. Another older car of mine, the 2007 Porsche 911 GT3. So here we are, it's a nice orange one. It's got a few nicks and scratches on this one, and of course the paint on the wheels has come off because it was a satin colour. So let's have a look. Pretty similar in detail. They've got like the bit on the grille painted in there. Headlights, badge, those sorts of things. Just have a look at the backs of them here. This is 1/60 scale, so quite a bit bigger scale than the G63. Because if the G63 was the same scale as this Porsche, it would be a whole lot bigger. There. In my previous video, I went hunting for these. I got one here and one right there. I was also hunting for the best of Matchbox Porsche 911 GT3. I have not got that yet, but I'm looking for it. So, that's about it for the Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6. Overall, it's a very nice casting. There are no errors around it. All the tempos on every single example I've looked at, except one, had perfect tempos, and the one that didn't was just a little bit of smudging on the Matchbox logo, but that doesn't really matter. And I think it'll last a long time, a lot longer than some other models such as this Jeep, because of the paint and tempo choices they've used, and because it's got a nice thick metal shell on it. Well, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.